What up, y'all? Bankroll 10, bedded up customs. Finally got the dunk done. Gonna put it on the trailer, deliver it to the owner. Wash it off because it was full of dirt. But yeah, skirts are still going on in this one, so they're gonna hook that up. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Got 7-inch lip, 28s. And never mind that front end. Never mind that market light. Booyah, booyah. Trying to get all this stuff done. I just posted that I'm not taking any more calls or quoting any more jobs for the next 3 weeks. So in case anybody didn't see my post and you watching YouTube, that's what it is. I'm not taking any more calls, not quoting any more jobs for 3 weeks. I'm packed, booked up. Oh, get my fat ass on the ground. You know, you seen it in the air, but now you seen it on the ground. Ooh, yeah, look at that ass shot. Alright, well, got all the other shit going on. Got the trailer, rollback. But yeah, trying to get this shit buttoned up, get these cars out of here. Bedded up, bedded up, bedded up. Bedded up in crew. Shop is packed. Shop is dirty. Got this Camaro to pull in, do a gear change real fast, get it out of here, and tackle that one, get it completely done, so it can go bye-bye. Still got the navigator rear end, still have to shorten it, narrow it. Oh, here I am tripping again. Well, I could probably add this video with the other video. Make it a longer video. So, still working, still working, still working. Lots of cars, lots of business, lots of people, lots of shit. And that's basically it. Bedded up customs. Bankroll 10. We out.